Hello everyone, today I'll be making homemade cornbread. I'm going to add in my 1 tablespoon of baking powder, my 1 teaspoon of accent, my 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'm going to mix this around. Okay, so it should be mixed. Now I'm going to add in my eggs. Now I'm adding in my milk. And I'm adding in my butter. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in my cast iron skillet. Okay, so now my cast iron skillet has been heating up with my vegetable oil in it, and now I'm going to add in my batter. Okay, so now my batter is in my cast iron skillet, and now I'm going to put it in the oven. My oven has been preheating on 350 degrees, so now I'm going to cook my cornmeal for 30 minutes until it's golden brown. So I'll be back when my cornbread is done. Okay, so now the cornbread is finished. So the only thing I'm going to do now is cut it so y'all can see a piece. Ooh, it's hot. So y'all can see that it's very soft. It's very soft. I should have let it cool down before I cut it. Okay, so here's my slice of cornbread.